Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. We got surgery head over here and we're doing projects. I'm wrapping the pillars in the Z. They go like right near the driver's side and the passenger side. I think they're A pillars. We're wrapping them in bandanas. And I'm gonna show you the process and how to do that. I'm filming on my phone, so don't judge if the quality's shit. But yeah.
Judge.
Don't judge.
Don't judge me. I'm in pain.
Alright, so this is the driver's side. Just finished it. It's all glued and stuff. I'm using Gorilla Glue that like sprayed here.
Gorilla Glue spray. Bad idea. Yo, look. My hair, it don't move.
Some shit. It's clear once it dries, so it's pretty good. It says fabric. Yosuke. But yeah, the first side came out pretty mint. There's like no bubbles or anything, other than this little wrinkle from where the bandana was folded. Glued it to the back. I'm gonna show you guys the process on how to do that. It's pretty simple, obviously. It's just spraying glue and putting the bandana on it, pretty much. But yeah, we will get to doing the passenger side. Alright, so I'm going to start by spraying the bandana and then spraying the A-pillar, and then I'll let it sit for like a minute or two, stick it together and start cutting around the outside, and then shape it. Also, this stuff stinks, so make sure you have ventilation. I have no idea how much you're supposed to put on, but... Alright guys, so I just finished that side too. That's the first one I did. It's all dried. I'll film the video of me installing them tomorrow after they dry and stuff. I don't know how long it takes, to be honest. I didn't really read it. But yeah, it should look sick. You check.
I wanna go to bed.
Alright, time for bed. Alright, I'm back guys. It's the next morning. I don't know if you can see me that well because I don't fucking know how the phone works, but I put the passenger side in already. Looks pretty sick. So that's the pillar I was talking about. I'm gonna swap this out for a black one probably. I've had that one for a while, so I kinda like it. But yeah, got the passenger side all done. Looks pretty sick. So the way, I never showed you guys how these come out, but you just grab right here at the top, pull down, and then you'll see this plastic clip inside. Here, I'll focus on it. This one. You basically turn that 90 degrees to take it out of this hole right here. And then you can just pull it out because they're just in two tabs back there. I don't know if you can see them. those holes. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in and then I'll show you guys both, I guess. So this is gonna be super hard to film, but this is what I was referring to. You see that? You need to turn it 90 degrees so it can fit into there. I can try and do it while I film. Yeah, no, I'll get back to you. So like that, you can see it. It went 90 degrees, now just should just click in. There you go. And then there's just a bunch of clips on the sides that you're just gonna push into place. And this side's in too. I just gotta clean it up because my hands are dirty. Push the weather trim back over. Yeah, fits mint, looks pretty sick. Fuck with it. I may wrap other stuff in my car, maybe the armrest. I saw someone do that, looked pretty sick. If you guys want to see those videos, let me know in the comments. Yeah, make sure to drop a like, sub, you know the deal. Z's gonna get a makeover all winter. I gotta put my old steering wheel back on eventually. I got a Valenti wheel, and then probably mix up the shifter setup. I want a cooler work shifter. So yeah, maybe one of those, and then a head unit for sure, 'cause that shit is bonk. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.